This is my Boardman FS Pro 2017. I'm going to be running you through the parts I've got on the bike. So, tyres, I've got Schwalbe Magic Marys front and rear. Rims and hubs, I've got DT Swiss H1900s. Very good wheel. I'm running a RockShox pike with a debonair spring inside of it. Moving on to the cockpit, we have nuke-proof grips. You can't see them because they're covered in snow. SRAM RSC brakes, which you also can't see because they're covered in snow. Got the RockShox dropper post. I can't remember the exact name. I think it's a reverb. Works very well, very nice. Also, you can adjust the speed on it, which I only just worked out. It's pretty sick. I haven't done the stem. The stem is some ugly stem. I don't like it. I'm going to get a nuke-proof one. We've got nuke-proof spacers. I'm going to take one of them out because I don't need it. Got an FSA headset. We go on to the rear shock. We've got a Monarch. I think it's an RSC3. Very nice. We do the Jesus Christ, the SRAM. Well, we've got the whole SRAM group set. I didn't mention the shifter, but it is a GX 12 speed. Runs smoothly on most days. We have some DMR plastic pedals. I had to take off my Shimano XT ones because just didn't have any pins in them. What else? We have a lovely seat clamp. Down here we have the 4-pot caliper things. I'm not sure exactly what they're called. Then rotors, I'm not sure the size of them. I think they're it says it here, 155. We do the seat. So we got a charge seat thanks to my dad. Gave it to me off one of his old bikes. It is actually so comfy. I had a gusset one and it ripped. It was the Union Jack one. Rubbish. I would definitely suggest one of these. Alright, I got these beauties down here. Get a close up. Whoa. They're lovely, them. Actually finishes the bike. I don't really know what else to say. I have some cables. Wait. I remember something. We'll do a little hub test. A little sound test. Not bad. Alright, that ends the bike check. I hope you enjoyed it. I know it was absolutely awful, but it's hard in this weather. And a bit.